Hey guys, it's Misty again. We have another new release product, and it is the 2016 Score Jumbo. You're getting 10 packs, and they are 40 cards per pack. A box of this is 90 and a pack is 10. You get 3 autos and 1 memorabilia. Check these hits out later on. Okay. Alright, let's show you what the base looks like. That's the Carlos Williams base. Okay, looks like we've got our first auto. Nice looking card. Jerron Reed from Alabama, and that is actually an artist proof auto out of 25. Nice little hit there. And we've got a scorecard. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Scorecard will not be numbered. A reflections card not numbered. And this one features Jameis Winston and Eli Manning. The signal callers insert. Hand your luck. This is nice. Toe the line. Calvin Johnson. The signal callers, Tony Romo. Nice reflections. Out of 99. DeMarcus Ware as a Cowboy, and JJ Watt out of 99. As you take a look at the rookie, and this is actually the only good rookie we've got. That's Jalen Ramsey. Oh, I did get Noah Spence. Forgot about him. So we've hit our 1 auto. Got 2 more to go. Here comes the tossing and turning. And a scorecard rookie of Kenneth Dixon. Scorecard of Logan Ryan. Sidelines of Ben Roethlisberger.
Alright, man. I guess we'll see you later. Okay.
Franchise.
Again, we'll see how you do on all this. What you did.
Stoppers. Clay Matthews.
We'll be very happy. So I think it should be 7. Yeah, because that's Saturday.
AP sidelines.
Okay.
A Rashard Higgins gold zone out of 99. Forrest Buckner rookie. Very long video.
Yeah.
I don't think it was as bad as this.
What I started doing, I was just opening all the packs and then sorting.
Yeah.
It went quicker, because I kept looking at stuff and like, golly, it's like 10 minutes per box.
It's a long time now. Crazy.
Grab that.
What, this?
Yeah.
See you later. Bye, Kyle. Got a Reflections. Stephon Diggs and Antonio Brown. Nice looking Reflections. Not numbered, however. Scorecard of Jarvis Landry. Sack Attack. DeMarcus Ware. Sack Attack. No Fly Zone. Ronald Darby. No Fly Zone. Chain Reaction. Oh, the Gronk. Chain Reaction. Rodgers. A artist proof. Paul Posluszny. Can never remember that name. Let's check out the rookies. Corey Coleman. And Devontae Booker. Oh, there's 3 packs in. We got 40 cards per pack. We've got an auto. Nice looking auto. Showcase. That's Dak Prescott. Nice looking auto. Not a bad hit there. Scorecard Eddie Lacy. Franchise AP. Franchise Demarius. Sidelines Marcus Mariota. No Fly Zone Charles Woodson. Recently retired. And we've got first down Rashad Johnson out of 10. Nice looking card. Let's check out these rookies. Mary Matencio, Nate Sudfeld, and Jalen Marshall. Sidelines gold. Nice little Peyton Manning out of 99. Scorecard. Aaron Rodgers franchise red. Sack Attack Justin Houston. Another new insert. All Americans OBJ. Toe the line Julio Jones. Artist proof of Jacob Tammy out of 50. Some nice rookies in here. Not superstars though. Vernon Hargreaves. Reggie Ragland, Shaq Lawson, and Jaron Reed. Got one more auto and the game used left. I'm gonna give up on these base and flip them later. Scorecard, Philip Dorsett. Chain Reaction Red, Eric Decker. Signal Callers, Blake Bortles. All-American, Tavon Austin. Franchise Gold, J.J. Watt. Got a Gold Zone, Jason Witten. And our rookies, Cordell Jones, Jordan Payton, Andrew Billings. Don't know him or him. 4 more to go. Can't pronounce his first name, but Correa out of 50, Artistry. Scorecard, Cameron Jordan. All-Americans, Mark Barron. Reflections, Derek Carr and Aaron Rodgers. Sideline, Eli Manning. Franchise, Antonio Brown. And another Paul at a Gold Zone of 99. I haven't got the huge rookies yet. Maybe it'll be an auto. It'd be nice.
Yeah, I know what's going on there. I didn't show you when my little cactus bloomed.
All right, let's see what we've got here. I got Artist Proof, Austin Johnson out of 50. Be rookie. Scorecard, Mike Wallace. Nice Corey Coleman. Score NFL Draft. Red. Reflections, Beckham and Johnson. All-American, Johnny Manziel. Oh, finally got a good notable rookie here. Score NFL Draft, Jared Goff. Got a Gold Zone, Michael Bennett. Joey Bosa. Josh Dotson. Got our other auto, Byron Marshall. Gold Zone out of 99. Scorecard, Cameron Wake. Reflections, Stephon Diggs and Antonio Green. Amari Cooper. Oh, nice Derrick Henry. NFL Draft. Reflections, Le'Veon Bell and LaShawn. Terrell Suggs, Red Zone, at 35. Dak Prescott. Miles Jack. Last pack. Should be our game using this one. Maybe. Okay. Oh, looks like they skipped our game use, which we don't mind. We got an Eli Apple auto. Toe the line, red, Steve Smith. Signal Callers, Aaron Rodgers. Chain reaction, Jarvis Landry. Tom Brady, sidelines. Nice Todd Gurley franchise out of 50. Darren Lee. Well, folks, that's going to be it. Check out these hits later on eBay. Thank you very much for joining. Bye.